Okay, guys, with our startup, your career is insured today. I'd like to start with the famous quote from Steve Jobs. The only way to do great is to do what you love to do. But research says that 65% of the people are not really happy with their current jobs. Why is this number so high? We have big companies, recruitment companies like LinkedIn, Monster, Indeed out there in the market. But still, this number is growing, and growing every day. So the traditional recruitment process works in a way that it finds out the people based on their skills. And it finds out the most skilled person in the field for a particular vacancy. But what it misses out is the main problem, the interest of the applicant and the company's goal, and if they mesh together or not. So it finds out the most skilled person, but that person might not share the same goal as the company. And we believe that this is the main problem. That's why that number is growing so high. So our team believes that a hiring process is more like dating a person more than once. You only date a person more than once if you have built up a chemistry among each other. And this is where we come in. We build up a chemistry between the existing employees of the company and the future employee. So let's see how we do that. We have built up a prototype, and I'll show you an example with that prototype. So for example, this is company XYZ, and they want an employer in this team A. So they come to us and we ask the hiring manager, okay, what is your team culture? What is the employees' interest? What is the interest of your employees which they share among each other? Which skills do they have? After getting this information, we build up this information graph from that information. Now we have also built up a prototype for the applicants who are looking for the job. So they come to our website, they provide us their skills information, their interests by answering some simple questions, which are really simple actually. So from that information, we build up the information graph about Tony. So for example, from this company, we got the information about Martin, Jane, and Danny. And we have the person who is looking for a job, Tony. Now comes the magic. So the magic is in our algorithm of machine learning and clustering-based algorithm, which we are going to apply here to find out how much relevancy is between Tony and the rest of the team. So this is what we do. So based on the results, we recommend the company that this percent of the relevancy is with Tony and your team. And we also recommend the job to Tony that this company is relevant to your interest. Now, one question arises. For example, the hiring manager says that I'm not interested in finding the employee which are like my existing employees. He wants diversity in the team. So we say that, okay, no problem. We have the technique. We are applying the same technique as Facebook does. We collect the information about the employee of diversity, and we create a ghost account. And now simply we match the Tony with the ghost employee. So this is how we cater the diversity. So in order to develop, with this solution, we provide the value proposition to the companies by letting them save a lot of money spent on recruitment process and help them find the best perfect match so that they can follow Steve Jobs. In order to develop this system, we have our all team members which fulfill the capabilities required. We have data scientists, we have algorithm experts, we have designers, and moreover, we have also built a partnership with JobJibe services who are going to help us in marketing and sales operations. Now, since we are entering an existing market, we already have competitors. But our unique value proposition of interest and skills stands us out from the competitors. And that's where we lie. So in order to launch this product, this is the roadmap we are going to follow. We have already started our development phase, and we have already started collecting data, because in our system, information is key. In September, we are going to do with our data customer testing and development. And we have planned in marketing, we have planned extensive marketing in December, and we expect to have a sales operation starting from January 2016. Now the next thing is how we make money from this product. Well, when a company comes to us and says that we have a vacancy, we charge them a small setup fee. And then after that, we run our algorithms and find out the applicants which are more relevant. And from those applicants, if an applicant is hired, we charge them a success-based fee. So this is our revenue model. Now, in order to be focused and to have a very good validation, we have focused ourselves into a very niche market, which is the Swedish market, and particularly the jobs in IT sector. Once we have successfully executed our product in this market, we will go to other markets by leveraging the feedback of this Swedish market. So, in order to develop this product, all we need is $100,000. And this money is required to run our operational and marketing operations. Well, luckily, the 50% of this money we have obtained from Boris, who is going to invest in our company, and we'll start bootstrapping with that money. All we need is the rest of the $50,000 to go into the next phase of sales operations. So with that, I would like to complete my speech with where I started. I started with the saying of Steve Jobs. So we believe that with this product, what we are going to do, we are going to find the best match, and we are going to help people to do what they are great at doing. So thank you so much.
Any questions?
Please. Exactly. Exactly. So this is the first question we thought when we were working on this algorithm. So we discussed with Boris and Per. They said us that there are there are few parameters which we call as interest. So for example, if a guy says that I'm interested in working a company of 10 employees, not a company of 1,000 employees, so that's one of the parameter. Similarly, we have a lot of parameters, and once we build the information graph, so the beauty of that graph is we just apply clustering algorithms and naive-based algorithms, which will find out the best match. So this is how we are doing. I hope this answers your question. I'm not making a long. Yeah, I'm not going in more details so that we can have. Yes, please. Yeah, we are collecting both type of information. The employees who are working there, their interests, and also the company's culture. Because we were following the Google's strategy, Larry Page says that we want to develop a culture, then our company will grow. So we were thinking to focus on this particularly, that we get the culture's information and the employees graph. So that's why we get the existing employees information, and we are matching with them instead of just finding out that okay, this guy has Java experience of 3 years. We just match with all those things.
Any other questions?
Yes, please. Yeah, please. Hmm. Actually, here we have not focused the whole company's information. We are focusing the hiring team actually. So whenever there is a vacancy in the team, instead of going to the HR manager who follow the traditional process, we go to the hiring manager and we ask him for the information. Okay, in order to get this information, the validation, we discussed with job tips, and they said that the companies are usually happy to provide this kind of information since we are just getting the general information, not private information. And they are already in this business, so they say that it will be easier to get the information initially. And the beauty of the system is the more data grows, the more better results, it will converge to better results because it's the whole based on graph system. And since we are inspired from Facebook and Google, we are following the same strategies as they are in.
Hope you will use new technology or Neo4j when
Of course, of course.
We're going to make it better.
Line number 2 today.
They already signed the license.
He's our partner
Any
here.
other questions? I'll gladly talk some more about that. Any other questions? Okay, let's take a few minutes break.